I've been a welder for 15 years, and I've been at the college now for 8 years, so I finally took advantage of the taking classes where I work, and it's been great every single step of the way. So I finished my associate's degree, and I continue on with the Bachelor's of Applied Science, and I'm applying for scholarships again, and I'm hoping that I can finish the bachelor's degree debt-free. I manage the lab here. I manage all of the heavy equipment. I spend the lab fees on consumables. And when the semester's over, I'm the one that's here reorganizing, taking inventory, and making sure that it's ready for the next semester. I like being behind the scenes. I like being the wind in the tunnel, you know, what was that? You know, that was me. I like being that.